Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I will show you a secret method that I use to make money. And this method is work with a Fiverr account and also having a free site. So this method, using this method I made about $1,000 plus in last few months, and this method is very easy. You do not need to work very hard or any do social media marketing or like this, but this is a kind of tricks that you can use for yourself to make money, and you can do it very easily. So don't let me check out the video. So guys, actually this method is called a guest posting, and that is a kind of work that you might know if you are in SEO section in online work. Then you can know this one, the guest posting. And guest posting, I think the most easiest work of any other work in the freelancing section, because it's like kind of someone give you an article and you need to post it like you do Facebook post or another post. So it is basically something like this. You need to do have a site, and where you can write a post like here you can see I have a site travelblog.org, and here you need to just the title and other things, that the description and the link. Actually this pass a backlink to the buyer. Now the question is how you can make this kind of money. So basically here I show you some example how I actually do this work. This is very easy. Like here I found this site. The site is travelblog.org, and this was a free site, and I applied for author and they accepted me. And here you can see I have already added 143 for published. So if I calculate this and I sell the guest post around $10, so if I calculate this into $10, so you can see it's a lot of money, like 1,430 US dollars. So basically you can see clearly that I have already made 1,000 plus money from this site. So now how you can get this work, because this is not easy to get clients. So I have a solution to use the Fiverr, and using Fiverr you can make a lot of money. And if you want to find some site like this, I will share these tips how you can find site like this, yeah, in the end of the video. So to do this you need to have a Fiverr account. Like here you can see I have an account, and this account I am using less than 1 month, and this is working very great. You can see I have already 20 review, and it have more than 20 orders, only 20 clients give me review. So how I do this, you can see I check the site. I took the site and check the site DAPA. Actually DAPA is very important in SEO section. So if you are looking for good SEO, then you should know about the DAPA. You can check it online. Online DAPA check. So if you search for this online DAPA check, you can get a lot of site to check the DAPA, and you can easily find a site DAPA. Like if I want to check this one, so I just open this and I just paste the URL here, and the robot, it's working, and we will get the result. You can see this site has the 72 DA and PA is 61. So what I do, actually I create a gig in Fiverr. You can see I will do travel post on up to DA19 plus travel, and here I declare this clearly that I will post on a DA15 plus site $5, and write and post on DA70 plus. So here you can see my site is 72. So this is go with this post, and most of the buyer buy this one because they also getting an article and also a post from the 7 plus DA site. And I make a very good looking banner, you can see here, and this is focused on a lot of gigs. The yellow color I preferred. If you are making gig on Fiverr, then you should follow this step to make a proper gig, I think, because I found this style of the text is very good. And you can see I write all the details, and what I need to do now is I just need to open a gig. If you want, you can create more gig. Like here I only create one gig for one site. Like you can see I have this site and I create 1 gig, and you can create 7 gig on level 0 on Fiverr. So if you have 7 sites, then you can earn more money. So you need to create a gig like this, and when a gig rank on the Fiverr, they will order you automatically. And when they order, you just need to open you just need to have the article, or if you want to write, you can also write the article, and you just need to enter the title here and the description here and add the code, and then publish it from here. Like I show you some of my post, what is actually guest post I show you. Like you can see, recently on the 11th of this month, I published this one. So if we see this post now, I just do nothing. They just give me the article and I just published it on online. You can see all the picture, all the text are given by them. So I just copy them in the title, and I just post them in the site and added their links on this section, you can see. And this is actually how guest post is work. So they just buy it for this backlink to their site. So this is how I just complete this task and deliver this, and I get money. So this is very easy work. I think this is the most easiest work in online section. And now I will show you how you can get site like this. So to get site like this, you need to go to Google, and you need to search free guest posting. You can see in the free guest posting site list. So you need to contact all the site, and there is some instant approved site. Actually you can think that when it's a free site, why client buy my work? Because you are a worker and you know you can get this free. But when a client come to you, they do not know that this is free. And actually free site need to work, because not everyone can know that you can post on this site or not. And you will make your gig like this, the DS74 plus 64 plus. So if you do this, the client must attack to your job and they will order. So here you can see a lot of site that you can apply for a authorship, and you can post site like this. The site are very good and they sell a lot. So I hope you understand how you can do this work and make money online. So if you like the video, please do let me know in the comment section. And also if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you. And if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel for more new updates on the earning tips.